Hello, friends. What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel where we all learn to make interesting projects with Arduino. Friends, you must have seen that in my previous videos, we were using LEDs, like we did the sequential blinking of LEDs and controlling LED with a push button. Friends, the question comes that can we control a light bulb like this one with Arduino? The answer is yes, we can do it. But we will need this module called as the 5-volt relay for this project. Friends, as you saw, this was the 5-volt relay. Friends, it contains two LEDs. This is the red LED and this is the green LED. So whenever you power on this relay, the red LED first starts glowing. And this is the output LED. Friends, this is a switch of a relay. It is basically a electric switch like we use in our days, in our day-to-day lives. But friends, it works with magnetism. Like there is a switch inside this part. So whenever you pass electric current through it, the switch lowers, which connects with the terminal, which helps in the functioning of this 5-volt relay. Friends, these are the screws, these are the other parts present in the relay. These three. Friends, we will be attaching a light bulb in these parts. But before that, we will just learn how to interface this relay. Friends, control to control a light bulb, 230 volts light bulb, we require a 5-volt relay, as I just showed, Arduino Uno, and of course, our light bulb. But friends, we need this light bulb with a holder so that we can connect it to the relay. Friends, coming to the construction part. Friends, as you can see, this is the relay. It is a little different from my relay, but it's okay. The working is perfectly same. Friends, it has three pins, the signal pin, the power pin, and the ground pin. It will be written on the relay as well. Friends, remember the signal pin will be connected to pin number 7 on Arduino Uno. The power pin VCC will be connected to 5 volts and the ground will be, of course, connected to ground. Friends, let me show you a basic function with the relay. Friends, this is a really small code with which we will blink the LED present on the relay a few times, like on, off, sequentially. Friends, we have put a relay pin on 7 and it is the pin mode is output. And after every 500 milliseconds, first the relay will glow and then the LED on the relay will glow and then it will stop glowing. Friends, remember again, the LED, this relay has an inverse relation. Like when we write low, it means the relay is on, and when we write high, means the relay is off. Friends, now we will upload this code on our relay. Friends, after uploading, you can see what is happening. Friends, this is a power LED. And as you can see, the LED is first, it is turning on and turning off sequentially like this after every 500 milliseconds. Friends, but now you must be thinking that how we connect this bulb to our relay. Now follow me. Friends, this is the light bulb with a bulb holder. So I have attached two wires on this bulb holder, as you can see. Friends, now what we will do is that there are two wires. So we will connect with the plug, as you can see. So we will cut one wire which is attached to this plug. Friends, you must be wondering why I have cut this wire. So as you can see, this is the relay. It has three pins. We will be using NO and COM pin, just like this. Friends, one wire will be remain connected to the plug whereas we disconnect one wire, we cut it, and then friends, the one which is connected to the bulb, the wire to the bulb will be connected to NC on the relay, as you can see, and the one which has been connected to the plug will be going to common port, as you can see. So we won't be using the NC port over here, just the common pin and NO pin. Friends, as you see, I have connected my two wires with my relay. And now, friends, remember that after we plug in this power adapter and our Arduino, do not touch the lower part of the relay as it contains a lot of current. So we will now plug in our circuit. Friends, now watch the output carefully. There's no need to change the code. As you can see, our LED has started sequentially, not LED, a light bulb has started glowing on and off sequentially. And as you can see, our output pin on the relay is also doing the same, like this. Friends, this was today's project using a 5 volts relay to control the switching on and off a 230 light volts light bulb. Friends, if you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.